Just you need some gas on.
Okay, so this is SCA, which is the salvage car auction that I was telling you guys about. As you can see, they have a bunch of vehicles here. We got some Camaros, we got some BMWs, we have some Mustangs, a bunch of the other ones. You know, there's 2016 Mustang, or there's a 2016 Camaro. I'm sorry, that I was looking at right here. They got a lot of pictures, so they kind of show you exactly what you're getting into and everything. They want some potentially stacked bread, and then you can see right here they do show the damages and everything. I think this one here has no engine or transmission, and it's not, in my opinion, worth the price tag that they're asking for. I don't care about it being $4,900. I'm not paying $5,000 plus auction fees, which would come out to be about $6,000 and some change, and then plus delivery and everything for a car with no transmission and no engine. So this one here, definitely one that I'm definitely going to be passing up on, because it's not something that I'm interested in. So we're going to scroll on down here. I'm gonna look at some of these other ones. Let's see. This is a 2014. It's a Ford Mustang right here. Looks pretty nice. $33,000 for this one here. And then there's a Dodge Charger. This is a V6. And then there's the BMW, the 328i BMW that they got here. So we're gonna go down a little bit further. I'm gonna see which other ones. There's a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. It's a little too old for me, in my opinion. And then a Dodge Charger, but let's go ahead and look at it for the sake of things. And so we look at it. I'm not trying to bid on it. Well, apologies for that. I'm just trying to kind of check it out and see exactly what we're looking at here. Yeah, this is definitely an old Camaro. Yeah, this is some old stuff, but I do like that modern steering wheel. It looks better than that little bowl that they had into it. 120 some thousand miles on the leather seats. Look nice. Everything on here looks pretty good, and it's your V6 engine, it's your key and everything. So it does have its key and whatnot. No buy now price. Look like it's just for straight bidding, and just kind of bid on it and kind of see where it goes up from there. Let's see. I don't really see anything that really stands out to me. The cash value over here shows the car. What they estimate the retail value to be. I don't know how accurate the retail value is. I know Copart's retail value it's okay. It's not super accurate, but it's not that accurate though, because the KBB usually be a little bit lower from what Copart usually has for their blue book value. So scrolling down a little further, trying to see if there's any other ones. You definitely got some really trashed vehicles and some pretty good vehicles as well. I mean, they got everything here for you. They're just like another individual auction. I think these guys here are primarily with IAAI, because a lot of these look like they're from IAAI. I've never really bought much from IAAI. Look at this one. This is $1,200 for Hyundai Genesis Coupe. I actually bought mine from Copart a little cheaper than that. Usually buy it now prices are usually a little bit higher than what you can get the ones that are not a buy it now price. Ooh, my lord. That is some serious work. A little bit too much work. I'm not interested in trying to repair something like this here. I mean, it would be a fun project, especially with a lot of money, but no. There's a Mercedes-Benz. This is 2015. This is a C-Class. It does have front end damage. As we can see right there, the front end damage on that one there. It has 82,000 miles, which is really good. Let's go ahead and click on this, see what this one's about. So let's see, 82. There is no buy now price. It's in lane A. Yeah, it's in Houston. Let's go ahead and check out some of these pictures real quick and see what we got. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, this one's actually on sale as of... No, it goes on sale in 4 days from now. We'll go ahead and pass this one here up. And I'm going to scroll on down. Here's another Toyota Scion FRS. It's a Honda Accord. I was going to say Hyundai Genesis. We got, oh man, we got this one here. You know, I'm a sucker for these BMWs, these 4 Series BMWs. I'm a sucker for them. Ooh, my lord. Have to replace the entire door. Looks like we're going to have to replace the airbags too, and then fix that entire side curtain. Oh, and there is no mileage display. What's going on with this? 1 mile. That tells me that this doesn't run. Next vehicle. Here's another one. This is another BMW. This is a 4 Series. I love the 4 Series 2 doors. Those are my favorite ones. So next to the 3 Series. Looks pretty good on the interior and exterior. Looks like it does have some undercarriage damage. Oh, there's the mileage there. It's the back seats. And so there's the engine block. Somebody was definitely tweaking with this one here. And yeah, we'll have to fix the undercarriage. I definitely have to check it out. Maybe we'll check it out in the future. Look at that. That is real damage right there. And then, yeah, there's some undercarriage damage. She's definitely not going to be moving. 141,000 miles, not bad. Everything else on here doesn't look too bad. It's just really that. And then just have to see what the performance is like. Like I said, I like these BMWs, these 4 Series. And this bumper is pretty aggressive. Even though they have the 360 angle too on this one here, which is, sometimes in Copart, they don't really have the little 360 angles on all their vehicles. But in this one here, they pretty much have it on all of them. Yeah, and let's see. Looks like they do some modifications to it. But that's the 440 I series. I kind of like those too, so I may be looking at one of those. Older Mercedes, newer vehicles, Oldsmobile. Here's another Ford Mustang, another Honda Accord. My God. Okay, let's see what's going on with this one. Yeah, just that. I'm not really seeing anything else wrong with this one here. It's not a bad buy. Might be pretty good. 39,000 miles is not bad. Up there's a running hot vehicle maybe. Probably some damage that was done to it. It would definitely be something that we would have to get out there and look at. Yeah, this is a pretty good vehicle. Not too bad. Maybe something I'll write down. Yeah, I'll probably write this down. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the watch list and everything. And we'll be checking this one out. So I know in this video here, all I'm doing is just kind of like looking at the vehicles and talking about them. But I promise you guys, in the next video, we'll definitely be going out there and trying to check out some of these here. I think that SAC Auction, I think that they, have it to where you have to pay, like, I think it's like a $200 buy members fee, so that you can kind of like look at these vehicles and everything. So we're probably going to hit that, and then we'll be going out there a little bit later to check them out. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care.